friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this, I'm going to do the kinemaster video rendering speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So during this time of demonstration, I'll try to convert the 1080 video clip into the 1080 video clip. I'll try to export and 1080 to 4K as well. So let's see which phone can actually render the faster in these both phones by using the kinemaster video rendering application, because few of the users, they want to know which can actually do it fast, because both phones are having exactly same Snapdragon 870 processor only, so it should not be that much kind of huge difference. But this is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate during this kind of testing. Right now, as you can see, friends, only one application is running in the background, which is the kinemaster. I did load the 1080 video right now. I'm going to click OK, and let's go to the export rendering options. So same options I'm trying to select in terms of the bitrate and output size as well. Everything is pretty same. So 8.58 bitrate and estimated size of 222 MB. So this is a iQOO 7 device. It is a Realme GT Neo 2. So sorry for the voice, because I was not feeling well. That's the reason my voice was like this. Sorry for that voice. So right now, as you can see, friends, clearly these are the same settings I'm trying to use in both phones. So now let me to start exactly at same time, and I'll try to start the stopwatch also at same time just to show you the results. So first 1080 to 1080, next 1080 to 4K. So in this way, we'll be able to figure out what is happening with the rendering speeds. So 1, 2, and 3. So I did click at same time stopwatch and the phones and everything. So this is the iQOO 7 device. Is the iQOO 7 device, you can clearly see, and is the Realme GT Neo 2. Okay. So this is pretty clear, right? So right now you'll be able to see exactly what is happening with the rendering speeds. I think both phones were doing pretty close, nothing much huge difference. So which is kind of as expected, because Snapdragon 870 friends. So both phones are really powerful. So there should not be kind of huge difference. But just find out what is happening with the speed test. This is just only 1080 to 1080 clip only I'm trying to convert. iQOO 7 was able to finish exactly around close to 36 seconds. And Realme GT Neo 2 is taking slightly more time, 44 seconds. So there's a difference between, I think, close to 8 seconds difference is there, Realme GT Neo 2 and the iQOO 7 device in terms of the 1080 to 1080 rendering speed. Exactly same, everything is completely same. Even the storage free is completely similar, nothing much huge difference in terms of the storage availability. So right now let me do the 1080 to 4K. So 1080 to 4K, I forgot to show you estimated size is of 684 MB and 684 MB. Very same between these both phones, estimated size, nothing much huge difference. Okay, now let me to click on save as a video, and 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So this is going to be really interesting to see which phone can actually perform 1080 to the 4K rendering speeds. So two different types of testing I need to do every time. So 1080 to 1080 and 1080 to 4K. I'm trying my best to compare these both phones as much as possible, just to give the clear idea what is going on between these both devices. So right now, as you can see, clearly it's kind of very close. I think iQOO was able to finish slightly faster in terms of the rendering. You can clearly see, friends, not bad. So even with the same Snapdragon 870, but still different results we are getting in between these both phones. So I think the iQOO 7 will be able to finish slightly faster. You can see the clear difference, what is happening. It's not a huge difference, not 1 minute or not 2 minutes difference. Maybe it can be kind of close to seconds, 10 seconds difference or maybe 5 seconds difference. So nothing much huge difference between these both phones. And iQOO 7 finished around close to 1 minute and not bad. So exactly kind of both same. Exactly similar, nothing much huge difference, not bad. So later the Realme GT Neo 2 started to export slightly faster, but overall in terms of the kinemaster video rendering speed test comparison, nothing much huge difference at this moment I did not find between these both phones. But iQOO 7 is little bit faster, just a little bit, but not a huge difference. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick kinemaster video rendering speed test comparison between these both phones. Let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to compare between these both phones, and see in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.